Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot email sequences for lead follow-up. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate HubSpot email sequences for lead follow-up, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard from the main menu. On the left sidebar, click on Sequences. Select Create Sequence to initiate a new email sequence. Begin by giving your sequence a descriptive name to identify it easily. Add the first email by clicking on the Add Email button. Craft your email subject line to grab the recipient's attention. Write the body of the email, focusing on personalization and clarity. You can include personalization tokens to address each lead individually. After completing the first email, click Save to store your changes. Next, add follow-up emails by clicking on Add Email again. Ensure each follow-up email has a clear purpose and encourages action. Set the delay between emails in the sequence settings for optimal engagement. Once your emails are ready, click Review to check for any errors or adjustments. You can test your sequence by sending it to yourself or a colleague. After reviewing, click Activate to make your sequence live. To use the sequence, navigate back to the contacts list. Choose the lead you want to follow up with and click on their profile. On their contact page, find the Sequences option, then select your newly created sequence. Finally, click Start Sequence to begin automated follow-ups with that lead. Monitor the performance of your email sequence through the analytics provided by HubSpot. Adjust your emails as needed for better results based on recipient engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.